Okay, little peeps, this is lesson 65, course 2, lesson 65. We are going to be looking at circle circumference, radius, diameter, and wherever did the mathematicians come up with pi? Not the kind you eat, just pi. So we're going to figure that all out in today's lesson. Okay, here we go. All right, so circle. A circle. The circumference of a circle is around the outside. That's the circumference. The radius of the circle is from the center point of the circle out to the edge. That is the radius. Diameter is a chord all the way across the center of the circle. All right, so we have circumference, radius, diameter. And guess what? Can you see that the diameter is twice the radius? Yeah. Okay, you got to know that. All right, so how did they come up with pi? Well, how many diameters equal a circumference? That was the big question they had a long time ago. No matter the circle size, and this is quite amazing, the answer is slightly more than 3 diameters. Okay, well, the extra amount needed is about, but not exactly, 1/7 of a diameter. Okay, so let's pretend this is a wonderful drawing. So I'm laying my diameters out around my circumference. There's 1 diameter, here's 2 diameters, here's 3 diameter lengths, and it didn't quite match. I have this little extra portion. So that extra is, how many diameters? 3 1/7, or make that improper, 22/7, or make it a decimal, 3.14. It actually goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on forever. All 3 are not exact, but we call all of this pi, pi, and to represent this number, we use this beautiful little symbol. I think it's a T for Tammy, but no, it's pi. Okay, so pi is not a variable. It doesn't change. It's always going to be this value. So it's not a variable. We call it a constant. All right? All right. So the circumference formula, which you need to commit to memory. Circumference, C equals pi times diameter. Remember, when they're right next to each other, you multiply. So they're going to give you a few examples. This first example, again, we're going to pretend my circles are actual circles. We have a diameter of 30 inches, and it says we'll use 3.14 for pi. Okay, so I'm going to have what? Pi times diameter. So I'm going to do 3, oops, come on, pen, work. 3.14 times 30. I get me a 0, I get me a 12, I get me a 4, I get me a 9, go 2 places. 94.20 would be the circumference of that circle. Now, I have this other circle that's a perfect circle. Just pretend. And it's 14 feet diameter. It says this time, oh, would you please use 22/7 for pi? Oh, man. Okay. So I have 22/7 times, oh, they gave me such a nice number, 14/1. Can I cross cancel before I start? Yes, I can. This turns into a 1. This turns into a 2. What's 2 times 22? Oh, 44. 44 what? Feet. Mrs. Van Zalen, you didn't put a measurement here. 94.20 what? Inches. Sorry. Very good. Now, it says leave pi as pi. Is this a diameter? No. That is the radius. What would the diameter be then? Come on. 10 times 2, 20. So then, if it says leave pi as pi, it's the easiest ever. We just go, all right, that's 20 pi. Bam. Done. See? It's not so hard. Guess what the secret word is today? I think it's going to be apple. Apple. Secret word is apple. All right. That's really all the lesson is about. It's not a difficult lesson. So your assignment for lesson 65. I want you to do this at home, this beginning right here, the practice set, A, B, and C. Please do that at home so you get that into your brain. Then continue working, and of course we'll finish it at class. Here are the problems. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25, 28, 29, and 30. All right? That's all I have for tonight. So do the best you can. And really, don't forget the secret word, because you need to have that so I know you watched it. Okay? Okay. I'll see you later. Bye.